Okay, folks, here we go. Chameleon 6, rear traffic advisor. You want a little wiring. Okay, right here. Power and ground. Got the brown wire here. It's kind of green, but trust me, that's the brown wire because here's the green one. Bad color on this camera. Brown connected. Get regular response pattern. Energize the blue. Get arrow one way. Energize the orange. Get the arrow the other way. We can do this with or without the pursuit pattern on. There's blue. Here's orange. Here's blue and orange together. Okay. Now, if you look at your own instructions, it says that the green wire to VDC to switch it from primary color to secondary color. So we'll throw a, let's see, orange wire on there. Okay, the orange wire connected. Now we're going to add the green wire to switch colors. Yeah, it doesn't switch colors. It's red no matter what. Let's see if we can get them both in here so you know I'm not messing with you. So hopefully that's good enough.